Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making my favorite chickpea coconut curry. Let's get started. Over medium-high heat, add some garlic ginger paste to 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now add 1 chopped onion and 1 or 2 bay leaves. Now saute until they're translucent. Here we have made our own garam masala by grinding a few spices together. You can find them on our website. Add 1.5 tablespoons of the garam masala, then 1 teaspoon of red chilies, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and for some heat, cayenne pepper. Now cook out the spices. Now add 4 tablespoons of stewed tomatoes, and 2 cups of coconut milk, mixed with a bit of water to thin it out. Mix well. Now add 3 cups of cooked or canned chickpeas, now cover the pot and let it simmer on low for about 20 minutes. This smells absolutely amazing. It's thick, creamy, and it's ready to plate. Serve over some basmati rice and add some chopped cilantro. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or future video ideas. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plain on a Budget.